Hi guys, it's Naima here and welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If you have not, then welcome. And today I'm going to show you how to achieve this peachy warm brown look, which I accomplished with the JACLYN Hill by Morphe's palette and the Festival palette by JUVIA'S Place. So if you really like this look and you want to know how I achieved it, then just sit tight and watch the rest of this video.
Little Caesar pizza, I be hot and ready, nigga. You a pussy and a rat. You like Tom and Jerry, nigga. You ain't ballin', you just talking. That's that commentary. I was in the field, man. I slaved for this. Had to talk to God, drop down and pray for this. To my surprise, he replied, say you made for this. I seen the car, wanted, then I went and paid for it. Cash. Money back. Money back. Money back. Bitch, I'm making like a money back. Money back.
So I'm just going to start by priming my eyes with the Tarte Tape Shape Concealer in the color Tan. I use a lot. I don't know if it's too much or too little. Not enough. I don't know, but I use a lot. I just like a full coverage eyeshadow look, no crease, just perfection. Blend that with our Real Techniques by Sam and Nick crease brush. I thought this was a blending brush, but it's a crease brush that I use for blending. Just hold my eyelid sometimes so that I can get it blended out really good, smooth, and even. Hell yeah. Alright, and then I just go over it with a beauty blender. My beauty blender is Fenty Beauty. So that's what I use just to go over it. Because again, I strive for excellence. And so after that, I'm going to get some tapey tape. I had clear tape, but you know, tape likes to walk away, so we're going to use whatever we have as long as you tape. Now with our E27 brush that looks like this by Morphe brushes, and then also our JACLYN Hill palette also by Morphe, we're just going to go into the color Peachy, which is this color right here. Okay, and we're gonna just put that like between the highest point of our brow and the crease. Yeah. And now I'm just like making sure, like, I packed the color on exactly. This is our transition color, so I packed the color on exactly to my preference of pigmentation for my transition color. And now I'm just like making sure it's really super blended so that it can be like really super sexy. That's wet, bitch. So now that we have our transition shade on and blended, now we are going to go into this color right here, Roxanne, with that exact same brush, and we're just going to like put that underneath. Go back into the color Peachy just a little bit and put it back on top because we kind of lost some of the color. It doesn't make that much of a difference. It's personal preference. I just feel like I took the time to put the transition color in there, so I want the credit. And now I'm just like blending it really well in a back and forth motion. You're supposed to do circular motion because it's more effective, but back and forth works just as well. It just takes a little more work. Now that we have Peachy and Roxanne all blended together, we're going to take that JACLYN Hill Morphe palette again, and we're going to go into the color Mocha just a little bit. And we're just gonna like do this just to like deepen the crease a little more. I'm gonna like put it out here and then drag it. Yes, drag it, drag that whole, drag it, yes, 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 yes. Yeah, we're gonna do that. Now I'm just blending it. And then we're gonna take Mocha again and do the left side. Take it on the outer corner, pull it. We're going to take the JACLYN Hill palette one last time, and we're going to go into the color Central Park. To the outer, yes, like that. We're going to go into the outer crease, and we're just going to pull it like that.
We're going to do the same over here. I'm going to go back into it just a little bit this time.
I did that just to give the crease a little more depth so that when we cut the crease and it can look bomb. So with that same brush that we originally started with, our E27 brush by Morphe brushes, I'm just going to take it and just like blend everything one last time because blending is key. Guys, this is my YouTube tutorial. This is my YouTube makeup tutorial. So what I do and what works for me may not work for everybody. You know, so if you watch this, I hope that it does work for you. I don't have a system. I just grab a brush and I go at it and I learn by mistake. So that is all the crease work I'm going to do. Now I'm going to cut my crease with this Morphe B34 brush. It's an eyelash brush. It looks like this. Just a little baby fan. And I'm going to take my Tarte Tape Shape Concealer in the color Tan. Apply it onto here like that, and I cut my crease with this. It's my least favorite part because, like my eyebrows, sometimes my crease goes perfectly and sometimes it does not. So for the sake of this video, I hope that it does. With my Wet n Wild eyeshadow brush, I'm just going to go into my Festival palette by JUVIA'S Place. I love, 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 love her palettes. For me, it'd be like JUVIA'S Place all the time and then Morphe here and there. So we're just going to go into the Festival palettes by JUVIA'S Place. Packaging is to die for, like literally die when you see this, like. And we're going to go into Menu, that peachy color right there, and we are going to put that on the lid. And now we're just going to pack it on there. It's all pigmented. Just gonna go back over it with the brushes that we used for those browns. With my E61 brush by Morphe, I'm just going to take this brush and take this Master Chrome highlighter in the color Molten Gold, and I'm just gonna put that above my brow. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish my face. Put on lashes, do eyeliner, foundation, little contour, and I'll be back with the final look. Alright, you guys, I'm back with a final, completely finished look. I went ahead and finished off camera, did some winged eyeliner, some eyelashes from Eyelure. I went ahead and highlighted my nose, my eyes, my forehead, the whole 9, and then I set it with the Laura Mercier Air Translucent Powder. Wipe that off, did some highlights, put on Fenty Balm Gloss, and yes, so this is, and I did some contour. I don't know how crazy I am about it. I feel like maybe originally I had the idea to do a cut crease that was like winged out, but then I ended up doing this half cut crease. I still love it. I still like it. I think it's cute, especially once you get it together. So I really hope that you like the final and finished look. I hope that you like the eyeshadow creation that I came up with. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell button so that you do not miss out on my next makeup tutorial that is coming really soon. Look, I really like it. I think it's cute. I think it's fun. I think it's really like summer and spring. It's not too much. It's like just enough. Tell me what you thought of this look, the colors, and tell me any other ideas you may have for me or any other looks that you would like to see from me in the future. And I'll be back very soon, every Saturday.